Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Leadpages pages for better organic search performance, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Leadpages pages for better organic search performance, start by conducting keyword research relevant to your content. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to identify high traffic keywords. Once you have your target keywords, incorporate them naturally into your page titles. Make sure your titles are compelling and accurately reflect the content of the pages. Next, update your meta descriptions using your target keywords. Keep your meta descriptions concise and engaging to improve click-through rates. Now, move on to optimizing your header tags. Use H1 tags for main titles, and H2 or H3 tags for subheadings to improve content structure. Include keywords in these headers but avoid keyword stuffing. After that, review your page content for readability and relevance. Make sure your content is informative and provides value to your audience. Consider adding bulleted lists or short paragraphs for better readability. Next, optimize your images. Use descriptive file names and alt tags that include your target keywords. This helps search engines understand the content of your images. Now, check the internal linking structure of your Leadpages pages. Link to other relevant pages within your site to improve navigation and SEO. Also, ensure all external links are active and directed to reputable sites. After that, review the page load speed. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify areas for improvement. Compress images and optimize your code to enhance loading times. Next, ensure your pages are mobile-friendly. Use Leadpages' responsive design features to make your content accessible on all devices. Review your call-to-action buttons to make them clear and compelling. A well-placed CTA can improve user engagement and conversion rates. Finally, monitor your page performance through Google Analytics. Track metrics like organic traffic and bounce rates to assess the impact of your updates. With these steps completed, your Leadpages pages will be well optimized for better organic search performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.